Hey guys, dropping in to share with you a unboxing video. This came to me as a total surprise. I was not expecting this from my friend Jennifer. She is a maker with close to my heart. And she was paying me back for some little thing that I had done, just sharing her link, the link to her shop on my YouTube in the description box. If you're looking for close to my heart goodies, I share her shop because I'm no longer a maker. And to thank me for that, which I thought was just a small thing, she sent me this box of goodies and I thought that I would share it with you guys. I'm pretty excited. I have opened the box already, but didn't really look through it because I thought we would do it together. So are you ready? I'm pretty excited. I'm going to put this off to the side because this is not important, these papers here. But I have a stamp set. This is the stamp of the month for August, it looks like. July. It's the July stamp of the month called Voice of the Sea. There's some really cute images on it. Some fish, cute little turtle, the seagull. This is awesome. And then of course she sent the core products catalog as well as the newest July to September mini. I don't think I'll go through those on camera, but if you would like to have a closer look at them, let me know and we can browse through them together. I have some journaling cards. This is the Picture My Life cards, the Beach Party collection from Close to My Heart. I'll flip through them really quick. There are 4x6 and 3x4 inch cards in this pack. They are double-sided as well. I'll go through the 3x4s really quickly. I'll just kind of flip through them like card style. So usually their cards, they go in either landscape orientation or portrait, depending on the side that you're on, which doubles your mileage for your pocket page scrapbooking or your regular scrapbooking, depending on what it is that you're into. Your one in a melon, that's cute. Oh, I like the watermelon, that's cute too. Sunglasses, just a simple printed background. This reminds me of a pool deck. Can you see that very well? Say hello to summer. Remember this day. Talk about awesome. I like that. And then another, just a simple printed one. So that's the 3x4s. 4x6s are the same. They're just bigger, of course. Oh, which way does that go? There we go. You rock, let's celebrate. Sunshine on my mind. That's cute. Summer bucket list. And we all have those, don't we? Ice cream. Oh, this is cute. Little beach blankets, beach towels all laid out. It's a cute pattern. Welcome to our family adventure. Some beach balls. And then a really cute polka dot pattern. And summer paradise. These little puffy stickers totally caught my eye. Some of them are glittery. These are called the Crisp Air Dots by Close to My Heart. It looks like there are 2 sheets in there of different shapes, colors, and sizes. I really like those sparkly ones. So pretty. We have some die cuts, and this almost, it might be chipboard, but it feels almost like wood veneer to me as well. These are the Backyard Bliss images. I don't know how easy that is to see. The light here is crummy. but work with what we got, right? I also have the paper packet and sticker sheet for the beach party collection. I'll flip through this really quick as well. Close to My Heart pattern papers are double-sided as well. Oh, and these have the, what do they call it? The UV coating on them as well. So some of it is shiny. Can you see that? Does it pick it up on the camera? Yeah, it does. Some of it is shiny and then the rest of it is matte like your regular paper stickers are. So that's a lot of fun. That is new to Close to My Heart, I have noticed. If you're not familiar with Close to My Heart, that is a new thing within the company. I only know that because I do follow some Close to My Heart YouTubers on YouTube. And then you get 2 sheets of, I think there's 3 patterns in the paper packet. That's 2. Yeah. So 2 sheets of 3 patterns, and they are double-sided. So you will get double the mileage on each of those papers as well. So we have the cute little beach balls, and then if we flip it over, classic stripe. I love, love, love stripes. You can never go wrong with a stripe. And then this really pretty sort of wave pattern in a blue color. You flip it over and you have a really nice yellow pattern. One nice thing about Close to My Heart pattern papers as well is at the top of the page where they have their branding strip. At Close to My Heart in Ctmh lingo, they call it zip strip. They list all the colors that are in this collection so that you can coordinate to cardstocks if you're looking for a cardstock, or obviously mix and match across different collections as well, which is really nice. And then it has the collection name and product number as well in the top corner. So that is super cute. These of course are usable as well at Close to My Heart. They like to keep the entire strip patterned on the one side and then all the important information on the flip side. And then this really cute beachy islandy paradise pattern as well. That's really cute. And then on the flip side, we have beach scenes, beach life. How cute is that? Down by the Bay. Oh, do you remember that song as a kid? We used to sing a song when I was a kid called Down by the Bay. Anytime I see that phrase, that's the first thing I think of. If you know what I'm talking about, leave a comment down below. I'm not going to sing it. I don't want to make your ears bleed, but there's, my daughter's telling me to sing it. That is that one collection. This collection is Backyard Bliss. And this is also the paper packet and sticker sheet. So same thing, there will be 3 patterns, or 2 sheets of 3 different patterns, plus a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I didn't mention that earlier. The sticker sheets are 12 by 12. So I'm seeing a mix of summer and fall in the box that Jen sent me, which is pretty exciting. So if you are thinking ahead, I know a lot of people are right now with their Christmas and July videos and stuff like that. I know not Close to My Heart, Scrapbook Nerd is going to be doing something similar as well. So definitely watch the Facebook page for that, because we have a crop coming up and Christmas in July projects coming up as well, middle of July. So be warned. This is not fall or Christmassy. This looks very summery, maybe even spring themed as well. Little rubber boots with flowers in it. All about gardening. Cute little chickens. Little banners up here, a watering can with flowers. There's some phrases here too. I love phrase stickers. Absolutely love them. Doesn't matter if they're 1 word or 10 words. I love them all. So that's fun. And then the pattern papers here too. This looks really soft and pastel-y. I really like it. I like this pink and actually the zip strip too. I like that pattern. Flip it over. Ooh, and a really nice green. And then we have this gray chicken wire pattern. Very cute. And then a wood grain. Can never go wrong with the wood grain either, in my opinion. I love wood grain. And then this really sweet floral pattern as well. I love that zip strip. And then more gardening themed patterns. So cute. This is actually really fitting because I just got a bag full of rhubarb from my bestest friend today. Actually, I have them soaking in my sink right now so I can clean them off, and then later this afternoon will be devoted to chopping it all up. So this paper may go really well with the rhubarb, especially this one here. If you can, I'm so sorry about the light. One of these days I will be able to move into a room that has better light, but for now, not an option. This paper packet is called Crisp Air, and it is definitely autumn themed. We'll break into this really quick. If you have any questions about Close to My Heart or the stuff that I'm sharing, I will do my best to answer your questions, so leave them down in the description box down below. If you would like to find more products from Close to My Heart, of course, I will link Jenn's shop in the description box as well. If you live outside of Canada, I am located in Canada. Close to My Heart is available in other regions as well, specifically the United States, Australia and New Zealand, and most recently Japan. So if you are in any of those areas, you can definitely use the Close to My Heart website to search for a maker that is nearest you. So all you have to do is head to closetomyheart.com and use the search tool to find the maker closest to you. This really speaks to my heart. I love the colors. I love the leaves. The phrase stickers, of course. There's some little banners up here again as well. Some little tabs, pumpkins. I love the watercolor look of this collection. At least the stickers. Maybe the collection is the same. I don't know. But I love it. So pretty. I love this. I can see cutting this up and putting it into 2x2 square pocket pages. That would be a lot of fun, or leaving it as one whole chunk for one side of the page, and then putting, if you're doing a 12x12 scrapbook layout, even if you're not, something smaller, and then the other side of the page is for your photos and words. And then if you flip it over, there's this gorgeous blue pattern. So pretty. I love both sides. It's a good thing you get 2 sheets of each, because if you love both sides, what do you do? Really cute watercolor drop splatter pattern on this page. And then of course a cute stripy pattern in the zip strip. And then sort of a terracotta orange color on the back side. This is probably paprika, the color paprika. Really pretty. And then this gorgeous pumpkin paper. Oh my goodness. And then the border up here as well. This would work really well for your October daily. If you are an October daily scrapbooker, definitely keep this collection in mind. I may use this for my October daily this year. I haven't really been thinking about October daily yet because it's still early, but now that I've thought of it, that is definitely an option as well. If you are a week in the life scrapbooker, any of these other collections would work really well too. I have not done it this year, but I really was thinking about it. If Ali does it again later on this year, I might dive in and maybe use some of the goodies that Jenn sent me. But I'm absolutely floored by the goodies that she sent. She really didn't have to do that. And I really, really appreciate it. Thank you, Jenn, if you're watching. You rock. Thanks for joining me, friends. I hope you have a fantastic week. Happy Monday. Oh, and to my American friends, happy 4th of July. I hope you have a fantastic holiday today. I hope the weather is great wherever you are located so that you are able to party it up and enjoy the country that you live in. I will be back again soon with more inspiration. Take care, friends.